I hate when you do that, Cleo. Stop pulling my hair. Good job, Pooh. Good job, Pooh. Pooh's a good girl. And Pooh has her hard-boiled egg here, huh? It's an egg. And you're feeling better. You feeling better, Pooh? Here you go, Cleo. You want some? Good, Cleo. No, you just want to be petted, huh? Where's my Pooh? Come here, Pooh. All right. Okay.